Hello everybody, Monty Reed here with Thrive Life, and today I'm going to give you an update for February 1st, 2018. And this is all of the new items that Thrive Life is launching for customers and consultants. Now yesterday we did a video update on price increases for the simple plates and the starter kits. Today we're going to overview a few other items that Thrive is launching, and I'll include the links in the description of the YouTube video. So, one of the new things today is a U.S. price list. You can find that in your back office. Also, Alaska, Hawaii, Puerto Rico price list, Canada price list, and a PDF of the starter kits. It'll show you what's in them. Starter kit landing page, which is the website where there ends in new kits. And also, we have Getting Started program, which is the new training that combines the path and the Getting Started all into one program. This is for a brand new consultant. When a brand new consultant gets registered, they will receive text messages from the company with a link to training. And the first few messages, they can let the company know if they would like to receive those messages every single day or every 3 days, or if they'd like to no longer receive the text messages at all. There's also an auto detect that if the person is receiving text messages and there is no response, no click-through, then they will discontinue sending the text messages. And also, you can log into your office as of February 1st, 2018. There's an administrative website that's referred to as the back office, quote-unquote, or also My Office, and that's thrivelife.com/My Office. And in there, you can click on the Getting Started training program, and you can advance through that at your own pace. And if you do have more time available, you can just get through it within a few days, actually. It's pretty simple. One of the key things in the new Getting Started program, it's very short 5-minute videos instead of 20-minute long videos. So you can actually get through it little bites at a time, bite-sized videos. There's also new Simple Plate meals that have just come out, and there's a link to that, including the creamy red pepper polenta. And then new products that we have, seasoned grilled chicken that just came out. So I'll send you a link to that as well. And if you don't see the links, you can let me know, reach out to me or your Thrive consultant. Reach out to them and they'll send you links so you can buy from your Thrive consultant. Now, if you don't have a consultant, you can reach out to me directly. But if you already have a consultant, order from them. That's their job. They're there to take care of you. And now the February specials are available. And if you're one of my customers or a registered customer, you should be receiving the February specials by email sometime in the first few days of the month, and then again at the end of the month. This is a reminder. Then there's also a PDF and a link to the February Specials website. I'll include that as well. Then there is a Simple Solutions flyer, which we talk about why would you be interested in Simple Plate. It's really designed to help prevent you from wasting money at restaurants when it's not in your budget. Now, I'm all for eating at restaurants, especially good restaurants. It's just when it's not in your budget, it's hard to be financially stable or financially responsible and without... when you do eat at restaurants and it's not in your budget. So we talk about fiscal responsibility or becoming financially literate, financial literacy. And so it's sort of a new term. There's some folks that have been using it for a while, but the idea is a simple plate is a simple solution for the dinner dilemma, and it's designed to help you to not eat out when it's not in your budget. When it is in your budget, go for it. But when it's not in your budget, it hurts financially and very often is bad on your health as well. Another benefit for the Simple Plate is most Simple Plates have between 5 and 10 Thrive products in the Simple Plate. And a person has, for less than $10 per meal, they have an opportunity to sample between 5 and 10 Thrive products all at once, and they don't have to open a single can. So I was going to say, instead of opening a can, they just open the pouches and try them out. And it gives you a chance to taste items before you buy them. And so that's the Simple Solutions flyer. And then we also have a link for the updated order form for consultants in Canada, and also updated order form in the U.S. And the nice thing about the order forms is it includes, and I'm more familiar with the U.S. version, that it includes the $20 off discount. There's also a $15 off discount, and when you click on it, you'll see the link. And again, if you don't have links with this video, contact your Thrive consultant and ask them for that order form. That new order form is going to show one of your first options. Option number 1 on the left, near the top in the middle, is the option to order for $1.99, 3 simple plates, a chef box that includes 9 items and a bunch of recipes, and 8 snackies. There's also one you can order for smaller amounts. But when you order the $1.99 package with the chef box and the snackies, you end up with, over 3 months, you end up with 30 recipes. For 3 months, it gives you a chance to try all of our Thrive products and get a feel for how you cook with the Thrive products. After you cook those 30 recipes in 3 months, you'll be very familiar with and very comfortable with the Thrive products. And when you order the 3 simple plates, the chef box, and the 8 snackies, you get automatically entered into the system, and instead of $1.99, you're going to pay $1.79 the first month, $20 off, and then $1.99 every month after that. And usually after the 3 months, you're comfortable with it enough, you can create your own shopping cart. And we call it the grocery box, so you can actually add to that. And we do have some people that do $400 or $500 deliveries once a month. And one of the benefits, of course, if you do over $100 a month, your shipping is free on most items. And when I say most items, you'll see on the website there'll be a preferred symbol. It's a little blue box, kind of diamond shape. It's on its edge. And that means it's a preferred item. Freeze-dried, we've taken the water out. There are some items, even freeze-dried, like mashed potato flakes, for instance, that's a heavy item. You will have to pay shipping on that. And I'll include a link for the shipping rates as well. Other heavy items would be rice, flour, beans. All of those things are heavy, and so you'll be paying shipping on that. But for 90% of our products are freeze-dried, there is no shipping. It's absolutely free for preferred items. And you can pay a $79 fee for that preferred customer status, or agree to 3 shipments within 90 days of over $100 a month, and you are set up as a preferred customer with free shipping. So those are the items that are launched. I'll include links to all of those deals. All of those information will be included with the video. This is Monty Reed for Thrive Life. Have a great day.
I don't always eat, but when I do, I prefer Thrive. Keep thriving, my friends.